So here we have our Shark vacuum, which we took out of the box about a week ago now, and I've been using downstairs in the house ever since. 2 young kids and a dog. So having a powerful vacuum to clean up all of the mess was really important, and this is doing a really nice job so far. So you've got the head of the vacuum right there, a nice bright purple neck, all the way up to the main handheld unit itself. So let's start right here, nice shiny Shark branding. Okay, you've got a really nice comfortable grip just there, which I like, nice kind of rubbery type effect here and here too. So that's quite nice to hold on to. Power cable plugs into the back, which gives you your 40-minute runtime. Okay, if you squeeze this trigger, then that activates the max power boost. Okay, you literally just pull it towards you, like that, and you just hold it if you want to use it. Obviously that drains the battery a little bit quicker, but really handy to have. Okay, you've got this little slider just here, so you just slide it that way and then slide it this way. Okay, and you can see just there we've got a setting for carpet and a setting for bare floor, so that's, you know, tiles or hardwood or lino or whatever. So all the dust gathers here in this compartment. There is a max line on it just here, as you can see, which I've met, so I need to empty it. But emptying it is super easy, because all you do is you press this little button just here, and this whole glass box just sort of disconnects from the motor. Okay, and then this little bit here, you just push this way, it's a little slider, and the lid just pops open. So obviously you want to do that over a bin, but really simple, really easy to use. Okay, if you want to disconnect the neck and the main suction head, okay, just press this and the whole thing just really smoothly disconnects. You can put in one of the other accessories instead. You get, I think, 3 or 4 different accessories in the box, including we got the pet tool as well, because of that monster. So, but yeah, all the accessories are, you know, fairly standard on the whole. Okay, down here you can see we've then got this extra bit, which I quite like but don't use very often. You've got this kind of flexible pipe in there, and if you press the button just here on the bottom, then this hinge comes into action, and this becomes all sort of floppy like a snake. And what that allows you to do is kind of get some more hard to reach places. So just push the button in, and you can see now, there we go, it's now all floppy like a snake, which just means, okay, that you can start to twist it a little bit easier. So now, for instance, at that weird angle, maybe you can get under a sofa or under a low table or something like that. Okay, and then as soon as you're done, you just pull it up. There you go, and it snaps back into place. And then down at this end, you've got the main suction head, which is really nice, really powerful. Okay, this roller in here is really nice and wide. Okay, if you turn it over, you'll see we've got this bright yellow, which I really like. Sometimes you might want to, I imagine we're going to need to undo these silver clips and just kind of give a little bit of a poke around and clean in there. I'd do that with my old vacuum. I assume I'll have to do this from time to time with this one. Yeah, so far really impressed. So yeah, really like it. I'm going to give you a quick demo of the low power and then the max power and then the max power trigger here. Okay, just to give you an idea of what it sounds like. But yeah, really impressed, really like it.